student, now I'm going to explain how the median can be taken out with graphical method. Actually, the word which is used here, that is known as ogive. First question will be prepared for you. So marks are given here and number of students are there. Okay, beta. Now marks are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 30, 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 to 65. Total 6 class intervals are there. Number of students are 4, 6, 10, 5, 3, 2. For finding out the median, we are using the ogive, and for that there's a less than ogive and the more than ogive have to be prepared. So in solution, first what we have to done, in solution we have to use the less than and the more than frequency. We have to find out less than method and more than method. Okay, first of all, marks and number of students are mentioned here. Marks, number of students, this side also marks, number of students, listen bacha. So for first it is mentioned here 5 to 15. So less than 15, less than 15, 5 to 15, less than 15, 4. Second, less than 25. Less than 25 means 5 to 25. So 6 plus 4, 10 will be taken here. Less than 5 means below the 5. So below the 5 means 0 to 5 or the 5 to 25. So 4 and 6 we have added, that is 10. Next is less than 35. 35, that means all below 35. So 10 plus 6 plus 4, 20 will take in this side. Next, which is coming here, less than 45. That is between 5 to 45. That means below 45. So 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5. So 25 plus 5, 25. Below 55, less than 55. Less than 55 means all the number coming between 5 to 55. So already we have took here 5 to 45, 25, and 3 more will be added here, that is 28. Next we are moving less than 65. Less than 65 means between 5 to 65. So 2 more will be added in 55, then it will be 30. Got it better? Now we are moving to the next, where blunder is done by the student. They are just reversing the number, but it will not be done here. Now we are moving more than 5. More than 5. So all the numbers are more than 5 because 5 is the lowest number, highest is 65. More than 5, that means the total frequency, that is 30. It will be repeated here. More than 5, 30. Next is coming more than 15. More than 15. You are not reversing the frequency in that condition. More than 15 means 5 to 15 will not be taken here. 15 to 65 will be taken. So we have to deduct the 4 from 30. So what we are getting here? You will get 26. Next is more than 25. More than 35. 25 means above 25. And below numbers they will deduct it. 6 and 4 will be deducted. So that earlier the 4 we have deducted, now 6, so it will be 20. Next number is more than 35. More than 35, from this side the total will be taken 5, 3 and 2. So number which is coming here, that is 10. Because this will be deducted here, 10 will be deducted. More than 45. More than 45, that means these two numbers will be there. So once again 5 we are deducting here, 5 will be the number. More than 55. More than 55 means above this. So 3 will be deducted here, 2 is remaining. And more than 65, because nothing is above the 65, it will be 0. Now you can see yourself, the number could not be reversed, because a lot of time it happens that the student used to reverse the number. They used to just put the frequency in a different form, just like 4, 10, 20 or the 30, 28, 25 they are putting. You have to not do it. So for the biggest number, that is the highest or the total of the student, from that the frequency will be detected. Now how you can find out the median with the help of the graph, that I am going to explain you. Now main thing is that if you see the class interval CI, that is from the 5 to 15 and the maximum is 65. So always they are putting at the bottom side. So we are taking the centimeters according to that. And the number of the students, the maximum or the total, the maximum is going to the 30. So for 30, this side 13 centimeter scale we can take here. The figures must be big ones, so easily it must be clear to you. Got it better? Now we are marking the number. Listen, Mitchell. We took here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. And the bottom side, we will take the number, figures. Once again, I have got for the 14 centimeter, earlier 13 centimeter were there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Now listen here. We will just mark the things here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. At the bottom we can write the marks. Now we are plotting the numbers. First number, which is 5 to 4. 5 to 4 means this will go this side. Okay. Second one is 25 to 10. 15 to 4. Here it will be taken 15 to 4. It will be not marked here. 15 to 4. Okay. 15 to 4. 25 to 10. 25 to 10. Straight way 4 centimeter you can move. 35 to 20. 20 will be taken from this side. We are moving to the 8 centimeter. Okay. Next is less than 40. 45 is 25. 45 and 25. Directly we have gone for the 10 centimeter because 2.5 is representing 1 centimeter and 25 will take 10 centimeter. So now next is 28. Less than 55 is 28. 28. So this is the number. We have put here 28. And last is that is less than 65. That is 30. 30. 65 is 30. Highest number, and that is of a 12 centimeter scale. We have just marked here. And now free hand we have to just join the points together. From 0 we can start. Free hand it has to be used. Scale will not be required here. No need of the scale here. Now same way as we have gone for the less than, we have to go for the more than. So 5 more than 5 is 30. Directly we have to put in the y-axis. 30 we have to mark here. More than 5, that is 30. So just this will be marked here. This is the point where we'll mark. Next one, more than 15, that is 26. More than 15, 26. So it will be plotted here. This one better. 26 is here. After 26 we have to mark 20. More than 25 is 20. 25 is 20. We will use 8 centimeter scale here. We have just marked here. Next one is more than 35 is 10. 35 is 10. Got it better? Any problem you can send your question here. This we have marked. 55 is to 2. 35 is to 10 and 45 is to 5. 45 is to 5. 2 centimeters. 55 is to 2. 55 is to 2. That means 0.4. And last one is 0. So once again the the free flow hands will be used. So we are starting from this side. Last one figure was 65. Got it better? After that, what we can do here, you can just use the scale and the dotted line can be drawn here. So this point which is representing here, this will be median. that is 30. And one more thing you can write here, less than ogive, and this side more than. Labeling is very important. One more thing left here, number of students. Here OY, X, OY is this side. Topmost heading you have to write here, less than ogive and more than ogive, and calculation of median already we have done. Scale, so 2 centimeter you have took for the 5 students in a OY axis, and 1 centimeter for 5 marks in OX axis. I think that each and everything is clear to you. If it's still any problem, you can just ask your question. You can put your question wherever any type of the difficulty for you in understanding any of the question. Please, you can send to me.